Hi, welcome back this week. I'm Josh with Fisher's Health Department, and I'm here with our COVID-19 community update on Tuesday, June 15th, 2021. So we are in yellow on our community risk rating. We moved down from orange last week to yellow, and we remain in yellow this week, indicating there's still a moderate risk of COVID transmission within the community. The Hamilton County positivity rate is down to 5.2%. Our Fisher's testing site positivity rate is at 8.84%. Now that's jumped up since last week, but that testing rate is quite vulnerable to the number of people that come through and the positive tests based on the number of unique individuals that are coming through. So you might see that number jump around a little bit, but it is up this week. And then our case incidence rate is down to 3.14, which is the lowest it has ever been. Our secondary metrics remain in green with adequate testing capacity, turnaround, contact tracing, and adequate hospital healthcare system capacity in our region. So I'm going to jump into our COVID data. Here is a picture of our dashboard that has been uploaded to our website. You can see at the blue graph on the bottom left of your screen that cases continue to drop and are quite low, and the numbers are getting as low as we've seen since almost a year ago. So it's really good to see that. Here is a graph of our age-specific COVID case rates per 1,000 over the previous 8 weeks with a 4-week average. So we've seen the average case rate per 1,000 residents in these age groups decrease tremendously over time. They're at some of their lowest numbers ever for some of the age groups that have higher cases. And you can see the average cases per 1,000 residents are highest right now for those that are aged 16 to 19, 20 to 29, but it's still less than 1 per 1,000. So it's really good to see those going down. Definitely related to the amount of vaccine coverage we have in Fishers, as we talk about every week. The residents are just wonderful and fantastic at going out and getting their vaccine. So the data we received from the state last Friday that reflects vaccines through the previous Thursday, so the day before, has our Fishers community at 69.97, pretty much 70% on first dose coverage for the eligible population and 64% fully vaccinated. So that's really good to see, and we'd like to see those numbers continue to increase. Now this is a graph of our vaccination coverage by age group with the 60 and older collapsed into one age group. You can see the solid green bar is full vaccination coverage of that age group. The shaded green bar above the solid one will let you know how many people in that age group have received at least their first dose, and then the remaining residents on top of that. So what you can see is that we have very high vaccination coverage for those aged 60 and older. Next highest group is the 40 to 49-year-olds, followed by the 50 to 59-year-olds. We can continue to see uptake across the other groups. There has been slowing uptake in the 20 to 39 age range, so if you are in that age group, or if you have family, friends, loved ones, work acquaintances in that age group, please do consider going out and getting your vaccine today. We can all work together and smash COVID and help our community stay safe, healthy, and happy. So here's a list of the upcoming farmers markets and other sites across the city where we are taking the vaccine out into the community. So you'll see Fisher's Health Department mobile pop-up vaccine clinics at these locations. If you have questions about these, do feel free to call us. We hope to see you out at our mass vaccination site at 12520 East 116th Street or at any of these sites when we're out in the community. So let's all do this together. We can all smash COVID. Let's everybody keep getting vaccinated. If you have questions about the vaccine, if you're uncertain about some aspects, please do call us. We would love to speak with you and help you make an informed decision on going out and get the vaccine. Together, we can smash COVID and protect our community. Please go ahead and walk into any of our clinics or any of our mobile pop-up sites or any vaccination site around the state. You do not need an appointment. If you need any assistance, you can call the statewide hotline at 211 or the Fisher's COVID hotline at 317-595-3211. We hope to see you there soon. Thank you so much for everything you're doing to protect the community, and have a wonderful day. Thank you.